Hello, and welcome to Career Research and Decision Making Skills. This presentation is going to show you how to sign into your class and give you a glimpse as to how to get started. So to sign into your online class, you want to go to www.flvs.net. You want to go ahead and click on Login, and you want to go ahead and click on FLVX Flex, formerly part-time. From there, you're going to go ahead and use your username and password to sign in. If for some reason you don't have that, you can go ahead and reach out to us or call the toll-free number and they will go ahead and help you out in getting that username and password. From there, it's going to pass you over to a screen that looks like this. You want to go ahead and select VSA, Virtual School Administrator, and it'll pass you over into your dashboard. In your dashboard, you can update your student profile, your phone numbers. You will receive messages from Florida Virtual about news that are going to be important to you. And then from there, when you scroll down, you will see enter the course, and you go ahead and click enter course. And there it is. You scroll down and you see your the name of the course, and you can either click the name of the course or click enter this course to sign in. From there, you're going to see your course home page. It'll say welcome to Career and Research. You'll have some useful information. Your teacher's information will be on there. So you want to make sure that you take note of your teacher's information and write it down. Make sure that you have it somewhere handy. Now, I want you to scroll down on that same page because this is very important. You will have a required live lesson, and every month you're going to have a new calendar with different options for you to choose from. To sign into a live lesson, you just click on this button right here and it'll prompt you to do so. Again, you just decide what live lesson you're going to do and make sure you go to it, okay? Please do not save this for last, as again, it is a required portion of your course. Now, when you're navigating in your course, you're going to see this top black bar at the very top here, and you can navigate through that, or you can actually expand it by clicking on that main menu option, and you can see various things through both places. For example, the lessons, notice that you can see it right here or in that little book at the very top. Also assessments, you can see it in the word right here or this kind of little inbox looking thing. You can also check the email from your teacher directly in here, okay? Or you can click on email right in there. So notice you can see various things from both menus. Now, your gradebook is a wonderful place because it is a place for you to review your assignments, resubmit assignments, and check your grade. You have up to 3 tries on most of the assignments, and I'll show you a snapshot of your assignments in just a second. Here is a list of your assignments for this course. You have a total of 27 assignments. Notice here on the ones that you have 3 attempts, it'll say none out of 3. If it's a quiz or something else like that, then that'll be different. But most of the assignments, you have 3 attempts. Now, I want to draw your attention to a couple of assignments here that are very important. For section 103, asking strong questions, you are going to have to record an audio file. 207 and 406 are your discussion-based assessment, where you will call your teacher to discuss what you've learned in the prior assignments. And you also have your blank assessment number 1, which is where you will submit that required live lesson that we talked about. Now, we do have a 14-day rule, so we want to make sure that you are working consistently and not super fast. So here are some pace possibilities. If you were to do 8 assignments a week, you could be done with this class in 4 weeks. You could do 5 a week and be done in 6 weeks. You could do 4 a week and be done in 7 weeks. Or you could do 3 a week and be done in 9 weeks. When you talk to your teacher for the welcome call, you guys can discuss what pace works better for you. Remember, it is super important that you are working weekly. Please never let 7 days go by that you do not work, because if you do so, it's as if you're saying that you no longer want the class. So please make sure that you don't give up your spot and that you are working weekly. Originality matters. All your work is super important to us. In this class, we're talking about your future, how you can make it a better one. So please make sure that everything you submit to us is in your own words. Please never copy from the web or from a friend. Our system is very smart. We use Turnitin, and it catches any originality issues. So please make sure that you do your own work. So let me go ahead and get started and show you how you will get started in your class. You want to start by reading the lessons. And so you want to go ahead and click on the little lesson icon there. And from there, you're going to see the 4 different chapters that we have in this course. We have Use Your Power, we have Prepare for College, Build Your Career, Drive Your Future. And within each chapter, you have different subsections, okay? So you want to make sure that you read the lessons and you read them in order. So you're going to start by using your power and click on Getting Started. And as you do so, you're going to be in the lesson and you're going to see these arrows here. You want to go ahead and read each page carefully. You'll have some videos from Maui. You'll have interactive things that you'll have to click on. So make sure you go through each one of those. Now, you'll know that you're at the point where you want to submit something when you get to a page where you see the word assignment. When you see that word assignment, then you know that you are to submit something, okay? So you're going to read the lesson, and then to submit the work, you're going to go into your assessments. Think of your assessments as your to-do list, okay? So once you know what you need to submit, you go to assessments, and you go to your list, and you go to that specific assignment that you're trying to submit, and you click on it. You go ahead and type your answer directly in the student comment area. Like if I were you, if it has a question, I would copy that question, put it here, and directly answer it below. That way you know that you're answering exactly what we need. Now, I do want to show you that there is a place to add a file, and you could add a file if there's an image or a chart that you're needing to show us, but if it's just text, go ahead and put the work directly in the student comment area here above. If there's an image or a chart, go ahead and add a file, or even the audio file that we talked about 103. To submit it, you want to click the little box here that says submit for grading and hit that blue button that will change to, it'll say submit once you click on that little box. Now, how do you know if it was submitted? Well, when you submit an assignment, it goes away from your assessments. So in this example, I tried to submit the entrance survey. So notice that there is no longer an entrance survey here, okay? So when you submit an assignment, you'll know that you did so because it will no longer be in your assessments. You can also go into your gradebook and see it there as well. So to get to your gradebook, you're going to click on the main menu button there, the little three little lines, and click on the gradebook. From there, you'll see your gradebook. Obviously, this is a demo shell, okay? Know that your work is graded Monday through Friday within 48 hours. And I want you to take a look at all this color coding and things like that. So the entrance survey that I talked to you about earlier in the example, then what you want to do, you would see it that it's in blue, which means it is submitted and waiting to be graded, okay? If something has been graded and you did well, you'll see it in this greenish color. If it's been graded and you didn't do so well, then you'll see it in this reddish color. So you could, if it say that you did something and you didn't do it so well, you could click on the title of that assignment and resubmit it from there. So again, just really great things. Look at all the different color coding that you have there, okay? Now, the beauty is that you can work 7 days a week, any day, anytime. This class is always available for you. All teachers are available Monday through Friday, 8 to 8, so feel free to reach out to them. Now that you've completed or watched this welcome video, go ahead and reach out to your teacher for the welcome call. Have a beautiful day.